To get started, simply scroll down to the video description and click the first link that you see. It will take you to the correct HubSpot page where you can create your free account. Once you're on this page, click Get Started Free to sign up. Then sign up using your preferred account or email address. I'll enter my email and then click Verify Email. Enter the verification code from your email inbox and then click Next to create a password in the next step. Once you've satisfied the password requirements, click Next again. In the next part of the sign-up flow, HubSpot will ask a few simple questions about you and your business. So I'll enter my name here, then choose what industry best matches your business. Then pick your role, enter your company name, and click Next. Enter the approximate number of people that work at your company, and finally, your company website. Then you can click Create Account. Before we get to the CRM dashboard, HubSpot will ask a few more questions in order to tailor your experience. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to go once we land on the dashboard. So you can enter any one of these. Automate marketing is what I'll settle on. Then click Next. And here, you can select some of your current tools if you would like. But at this point, you can skip the rest of the questions, so I'll do that to get us started faster. Skip for now.